Direct Line Travel Insurance UK app. The pros, the cons. The Direct Line Travel Insurance UK app is designed to simplify travel insurance management. Many assume it's just for checking policy details, but the app also lets you purchase plans, submit claims, track reimbursements, and access travel resources directly from your phone. On the pros side, the app provides instant access to policy information, including coverage limits, plan types, and emergency contacts. Claim submission is step-by-step and allows for uploading receipts or supporting documents. Purchasing and managing plans is easy, and push notifications alert users to claim progress, policy changes, and coverage deadlines. Travel resources such as safety tips and destination guidance add extra value for travelers. On the con side, most features require an internet connection, limiting offline use. Some users report occasional slow performance when accessing claim histories. The app also lacks advanced tools like multi-trip comparisons or cost estimators, which may make long-term travel planning less convenient. In conclusion, the Direct Line Travel Insurance UK app is a reliable and user-friendly tool for managing travel coverage. While it doesn't include advanced planning features, it efficiently handles claims, purchases, and policy monitoring, keeping travelers informed and in control. For anyone seeking convenience and peace of mind during their trips, this app is a solid choice.